Like the title suggests, I'm going to be making a DIY candle today. I bought this natural soy wax candle making kit. I don't know how well you guys can see that. A long time ago, I kind of forgot about it. But since I've kind of been in pain and I know I can't really do a bunch of walking around the city today to go to museums and everything, I figured this would be like a fun, kind of low exertion kind of DIY project that I can do in the house. Plus it's raining outside and I'm not a fan of being out in the rain. So once I get back from my doctor's appointment, I'll probably like pop in the dollar store, grab some glass like jars to put the wax in, and just experiment maybe with a little bit of, you guys will see the experiment. But anyway, I've never done this before. I'm looking forward to it. This should be fun, and just sit back, relax, and let's just hop into this video. Like I said, I was in pain. I hurt my lower back trying to lift this. Apparently all the talk about lifting from your knees did not help me out this time, hence I'm heading to my doctor's office. Taking you guys along on this ride with me. Ooh, Jersey. Okay, Pier 88. Ooh, the Intrepid. Me and my dad went to this. My dad would appreciate that shot because I know he's watching. All right, now I'm already heading back uptown. Cute Panda, taking this cab ride, and now we're at the dollar store. This location just reopened. I think it used to just be called Deals, and now it's called Dollar Deals. So, Mom, if you're watching, which I know you are, we're gonna go here when you come up. You have the Easter stuff out already. Ooh. Oh, there were mattresses in the dollar store. What is happening right now? I love the dollar store. So many glass options. Ooh, Starbucks mugs. Wait a second. Does Starbucks know about this? Anyway, ooh, what should I get? Oh, look, this is pretty. I love it with the little lid. Okay, skull and okay, skull. This is just a glimpse of the materials you're gonna need, but I'm gonna link everything below in my description box, so check there. So I sped it up a little bit just so you can watch the process. So here I am prepping my little container, adding the clear Elmer's glue. Then you just paint on your design using generous amounts of the Elmer's glue. You can do any design here. Here I'm going for like an abstract strokey look because I'm going to later on apply the glitter. As you can see here, applying the pink glitter, dumping out the excess. I kind of went crazy with the glitter, so you're going to see a lot of glitter action in my candles. Once the glitter is dry, now it's time to add the votive tabs. Then you add the double-sided sticky tape at the bottom, then adhere it to the bottom of your jar. Now it's time to actually get the chemistry action going. Let's heat up this wax. We're going to do the double boiling method where you have your pouring can in a pot of boiling hot water. Ooh, look at that wax. I went with the vanilla and black raspberry scents. They both smelled so good, so I thought it would be fun to experiment. Ooh, now it's time to pour the wax. Look how pretty that looks. Adding more glitter. And now I'm adding the wick holder to hold it in place. And this is the final outcome. Do I need to open up a candle shop? Like, this really looks good. Look at that. The marbles, the glitter, it really came together nicely. I gotta say, I'm really proud of myself. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had such a fun time making these candles. They turned out so cute. And you know, I have to say this, and I hate to say it, but it has to be said. Diptyque candles and DW home candles really had nothing on me at this point. Seriously, like even my plants were impressed, right guys? Right? All right, let's not all speak at once. You guys live here for free. Expect miracle grow and now you're silent. That's kind of rude if you ask me. I'm totally joking. I am totally joking here. But anyway, again, if you like this content, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you want to see more DIY videos. Also, too, a special thank you to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. As you know, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. So you guys are helping me with your likes, shares, and subscriptions and comments and all those things. So I will see you guys next Monday. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye.